Good morning. This is my 2023 Harley Davidson Pan America special. I know this is advertised as like an adventure bike, off-roading, this and that. I wanted to do something a little different. I got it for the performance aspect. So obviously I don't want it to look like one of those giant adventure bikes. That being said, you can see all the stuff over here. We're doing a little road trip. It's supposed to be a few of us going out to Solvang. Stuff happened, so I'm going to be the only one going. But that's all right. What we have to do is figure out how to get all of this stuff onto the bike. So you can see that I removed the rack that went around. But I have a solution for all of this. Instead of trying to figure out how to get all of that stuff individually strapped down to the bike, since I'm trying to go for a more sleek look and not have those giant bags all over the place, we got this bad boy. This is the, I think it's a Vikingbags Odyssey 30 liter tank bag for adventure style bikes. So this thing's pretty sweet. I should be able to get all of that stuff in here and get it strapped down so it's all secure. So let me go ahead and show you guys what exactly comes with the bag and tell you guys why I went with this specific bag over all the other stuff. So we're switching over to my phone here so I can show you guys exactly what comes with this specific bag. So this is the bag itself. It's waterproof, sealable. You roll the top, and then this goes over and under it. And this part is cool because, I mean, I don't have to worry because I have a 5-gallon tank, but one of the guys that was supposed to come with us has a Sportster. So we could use this to strap down his extra fuel that we were going to take with us. These are all the mounting straps. So I'll be able to just strap them through here so the bag stays secure on the back. And then a shoulder strap. I think my favorite part about this bag though is the fact that it's going to be super easy to get on to those. And then once I get out to Solvang, I will just be able to disconnect the straps. And then this bad boy turns into a backpack. So let's get all my stuff in there and see what it looks like. So there it is, all put back together. Everything's in there. The only thing I'm gonna have to put is obviously the camera, strap the tripod through here, and then we'll be good to go. This thing is super secure. Like I said, I really like the fact that once I get to where I'm going, I can just unstrap this real quick and this whole piece comes off, and I can wear it as a backpack. Once we get over there, we'll get back. I'll show you exactly how this bad boy gets mounted. Took me a second to figure it out. I've never had to use these cinch type straps before. But after figuring out how to use it, they're really nice. It's really fast, really easy. And then this thing is on there. So, let's get going. So this is how it was on the bike. I just want to go over everything that I had inside of it, because honestly it's a lot and I didn't pack it very well. So if I were to organize it correctly, I think it would be even better for me. But one of the main things that I really like about this is the fact that this all came off as one unit off the bike. So the straps that strap it down comes with 4. I only used 2. Over the install portion of it, we'll go over how it straps down. But they come off very easily, and then it just turns into a backpack. So I was able to wear this inside as a backpack and not have to worry about all this stuff. So let's unload this, and I want to show you exactly what I had in here. So you can probably use these, the MOLLE straps, better. One of the guys that was supposed to come has a Sportster, and we take extra fuel for him, the little canisters. I don't know how many liters there are, but I think he has 2 of them. So I could have strapped those here and took those for him. I just had my hat on there, put my gloves on here when we stopped. So the way this works is there's 2 clamps, right? And then this is the bottom, and then this is the top. So it has this really cool feature where you could put like your documents and stuff in here, anything you don't want getting wet or you need quick access to, because the way that opens, it could still be strapped down on the bike. So this will be secure on the bike, and you can open these. So while it was strapped down to the bike, I had the straps going around my tripod so that the tripod would stay secure. And then before coming to the hotel, I stopped at the gas station and got some drinks and snacks. And I was able to get the whole bag, put it right here in the back, and then close this, and it stayed locked in there. Okay, so let's go through everything that I had in this bag. So you fold the top and then clamp it down, and then it stays waterproof so water doesn't get into it. I have it pretty loaded, so it's pretty close to probably where water would get in if I wasn't careful. So tripod was the first thing. I have a tire inflator that's pretty big. I need to get a smaller one. This is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the camera. Tripod for the Osmo 3. This is my whole camera bag. So like I said earlier, I could have organized this better, but I just threw the whole bag in there. This is all I used to carry with me. This has my chargers, my batteries, different cameras. Everything's in here. My large camera. And then this is my duffel bag. This is my duffel bag. And this has like all of my toiletries and stuff like that in here. So my clothes, my Apple TV, everything that I need for the overnight portion of the stay. So like I said, there's a ton of space in here. I think it's 30 liters total for this thing. And you can close it down. If I just had half of that, fold it, and then all this stuff is adjustable, so you can cinch it down to whatever size stuff you have in there. These are hooks for the shoulder strap. I didn't bring that because I just wore it as a backpack. But I really like this. I didn't want anything too permanent for my bike, so this is perfect.